Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Fulfillment by Amazon settlement statements, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Fulfillment by Amazon settlement statements, begin by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Reports section from the main dashboard. Select Fulfillment from the drop-down menu. Locate the Payments tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Settlement Reports. Choose the specific settlement report you wish to review by clicking on it. Download the settlement report in a readable format, such as PDF. Open the downloaded file to review the detailed breakdown of your transactions. Note the total disbursed amount and any deductions listed. If you wish to withdraw funds, head back to Seller Central. Go to the Account Info section found in the Settings menu. Look for bank account information and ensure your bank account details are correct. If necessary, update your bank information by following the prompts. Next, return to the Payments section. Click on Date Range Reports to select your preferred time frame. After selecting the appropriate dates, generate the report. Once you have confirmed your balance meets your withdrawal goals, initiate the withdrawal. Click on the Transfer Funds option found in the Payments section. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Confirm your bank details are accurate before proceeding. Review the transaction summary for any applicable fees or conditions. Submit the transfer request. You will receive a confirmation email once the request has been processed. Monitor your bank account for the transfer to ensure it was successful. This completes the process to withdraw from Fulfillment by Amazon settlement statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.